K24a2 ep3 cold start. As you can see, check engine light bulb works and blinks on the on position. Cold start. As you can see, 105 on the clock, almost 106 actually, and no check engine light. Immobilizer blinking because of the K-Pro. Maintenance required because of the 100,000 K that I really didn't get to. And I'll just give you a quick little run around. Some receipts and a screwdriver, hasn't been drove in a while. Pretty clean carpet, just some dirt. I'm sitting in the garage for a while, no holes over here. Carpet down there just needs pulled up from whenever I put the K-Pro in. Which is down there, like right there. Oh, nope, there it is, sorry. And Honda stickers on the other side, which I can get to if you need to. Passenger seat. I'll turn the car off, it's kind of loud. We got a clean passenger seat. Back seats are in good shape. Headrests are in the back. The hole in the driver's side carpet, which is only this part. All this is just dirt. Needs floor mats really. Clips broke off for the hood, which you can just pull anyways. It's not a big deal. This is the part that's loose. Steering wheel damage. In comparison to a finger, you know, nothing too bad. Driver's seat, bolster wear. I'm a big guy. And really, that's all we have.